Here is everything I'm taking for Mount Rainier. I start with an empty backpack, 50 liter, tent. Here's a footprint. And go extra and bring this big inflatable pillow, sleeping pad. That's a sleep system. And then the sharps are here. Ice axe, crampons. I will take it out of this bag. This is just for travel. I will have capacity to have 3.5 liters of water, 2 in here. That's 1 liter, and this is a half. Set of radios, 2 pairs of socks I'll wear at the same time. And then the gloves, I have a little liner, these smart wool gloves, and these are the waterproof outer layer. In addition, I'll have hand warmers. These snacks I'll keep out. And then the food I've packed in here, going to have a lunch, a dinner, and then a day of snacks on the summit day and back down. Here's the cooking system. A full can, since we'll be melting snow at Camp Muir. 2 lighters in case you lose one. The Jetboil. My harness with a couple of quarterlets. And I think I'm missing one that's in the backpack. Glacier sunglasses. These are really good to block out reflection from the snow. A buff. This is a really extra long one to cover up the face. I have 2 hats, one to fit under the helmet, and then a sun hat to get to Camp Muir. And then as far as clothing, I am going to ditch the fleece and bring 2 puffies. So I'm going to bring my big puffy because it's going to be windy and cold. A smaller puffy, just so I have options. Helmet, of course. This is my 20-degree quilt. And here it is. And then for my pants, I'll just have 2 pairs of pants. These that are pretty waterproof. And there's some built-in liner inside. And then this I'll hike in. And then the second summit day, I'll wear this under. This is from Arc'teryx, and it's pretty good. Water resistant material. And then for tops, I'm just gonna wear a sun top, this jacket, I'll have the puffies, and then of course a waterproof. What's not shown here are my hiking poles, which is over here. And I think that's gonna be everything for 2 days, 1 night on the mountain. Mount Rainier tomorrow. Woohoo!